So what I got here today is the front sway bar from Super Pro. This will definitely be better for, you know, handling and less body roll for sure. I got one in the rear already. That's the rear one, the blue one. And today we're gonna do the front. Let's get to it. Definitely matches the blue though. This is super easy. You take this off here. Take this one here off. Other side. Same thing. You take these off and it comes right down and you just replace it with your Super Pro. Alright, so to take this one off you need a 14. This one here is a 17. Tires. I'm waiting for the new ones. Now we're gonna take these out and then the sway bar should come down. I'll tell you guys what though, when I did the rear I noticed a difference. So wow. So I'm gonna do the front one now. I should definitely feel some more, you know, stable on the turns. I just noticed this also. That's done. It just broke off. You're gonna need these pieces. Alright guys, so this came with well, I wouldn't say instructions, but it tells you, because you see these holes here, it tells you which one is softer, medium, and hard. Most likely, I don't know, I have two. They show 3 here. So for hard, you have to go the furthest hole from the end. I have 2, so I'm gonna go with this one here. They gave us some lube, so we're gonna have to put it on the inside. Put a little bit on here, and then probably inside here also. Right, so we put grease, lube, whatever you want to call it, on the inside, on both sides. All right, so I got these nuts on both sides. Now all we gotta do is just bring it up here, put that bracket over it, and we're good to go. We're not gonna screw it in all the way because we still have to tighten up these nuts here and then that side also. So we're gonna adjust everything and then we're gonna tighten everything up and we're gonna torque everything. All right, so let's do that side now. All right, so we torqued these up. Everything is back on. This is how the sway bar looks. All the nuts, all the bolts are in. we're gonna go for a test drive and see how it is.
Alright, we are all about done here.
Toss this in the garbage. I have no use of it, to be honest, but
I'm gonna put the bumper back on, and then, oh yeah, the headlights too, and then go for a drive. I don't know, maybe no bumper. Should look mean like this.